Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a updated video on our rental package. We try and do these videos at least 2 or 3 times a month, showing that the rental package is still working and it's still alive and well. A lot of people have questions as to what the score will be, does it work, and is it a real number? Yes, this is a working program, been around for over 2 years now. What it is a tri-merge CPN with a trade line. The trade line is Capital One. We have about 10 of these every month. It's about a year old. This was opened up in 2020. Limit's $300, but because it's over a year old, the score comes in pretty high at about 700, which usually is enough for most apartments and houses. Here we are, rental. Authorized user, revolving, perfect pay history. 706, this as of March 15th is posted. Again, this is a high score, good for most apartments and houses. So you see the apartment package is still alive and well, and it's still working. This package here is $550. Again, it includes the tri-merge CPN, the trade line. We also set up this EXPERIAN credit monitoring for you. We do it for you, set up for you. We also give you a detailed instruction manual about 20 pages long. So if you want to use your CPN above and beyond the apartment rental process, you can, to qualify for credit cards and other types of credit. We also give you phone consulting if you have any questions about the application process or about CPNs in general. That's part of the package as well. So any questions, call us. That's 202-213-2218. Subscribe to our channel. We have other trade lines too if you want to add trade lines to your personal, social, or other CPNs. We currently have over 400 trade lines. You can subscribe to our trade line list, which comes out twice a month at tradelines.biz. That's tradelines with S.biz. We also do credit repair. If you have any questions, consult the website creditsweep.us, creditsweep.us. Anyway, thank you. Have a great day.